What's up, guys? Doing a quick little prototype of putting some universal Aerosport bags on a Raceland coilover strut for a Volkswagen GTi Mark 5 2007 GTi. So I do a quick plate that fits right on the lower collar. And the bag will slide over and will bolt to that, which will keep the bottom of the bag from moving around, like so. I don't have bolts in it yet because I don't have the right size, but it'll sit like that and it won't be able to move around on the bottom. And then on the top, there's another plate that goes there like that, and that will get bolted on as well. And then to keep the bag from being able to move around side to side up there, it's this bushing, which will keep it from moving around a bunch. Once the bolts are in, it won't be able to move around. And then factory top plate can go right on top, and everything moves with the bearing and spins just like normal. The fitting comes out the bottom, the swivel fitting, so that it can move around when the car is turning. As you can see, the factory bearing still turns up here. So the whole strut will be able to still turn like normal. Simple. Now just to get the other one set up and then figure out the rear.